Alivia Sakawarasate, and today I will reviewing about the future of Englishes. So in this talk, uh, this video talking about an important idea that English is no longer just one language, but instead it has grown into many different versions of Englishes across the world. This happened because when countries adopt English, they change it to fit their culture, history, and everyday life. This talk made me think about how language evolves and how we use it to represent who we are. So, in this video, the speaker explains that English transforms quickly when it reaches new places. For example, when the first settlers arrived in America in 16th, they needed words to describe the new plants, animal, and culture they encountered. Words like mm, moccasins and wigwam were borrowed from indigenous language, and this word become part of American English. This process of adaptation did take centuries. It started almost immediately. Similarly, in today's world, every country that uses English shapes in its in our way, creating its unique way version of the language. Other example is from the talk that stood out to me was the South Africa English. It includes many words that are unfamiliar to outsiders, such as robot, which means traffic light. The speaker described how he was confused where the first saw things that read robot ahead to him, a British English speaker. This made no sense. It was until someone explained it that he understood its local meaning. This example reminds me how deeply culture shapes language and how every native English speaker can feel like foreigners when hearing unfamiliar version of the language. So the speaker also made me reflect on how English is used in my own culture. The speaker agrees that every country has his version of English, influenced by its tradition, politics, and daily life. For example, people in Serbia may talk about local foods, meetings, or political issues in English, but they do it in their way that reflects Serbian culture. This version of English might be confuse someone from Britain or America, but it still represents how Serbia people connect to the language. Mm. What I found most interesting was the speaker points that nobody fully understands all versions of English, whether you are a native speaker or not. There will always be words or expressions from other cultures that you don't know. This shows that English is no longer a single uniform language. It's a collection of different Englishes. Um, so in conclusion, the talk made me realize that language is more than just to communicate. It is a reflection of who we are and what one second and what we value. As an English continue to grow and adapt around the world, it becomes richer and more diverse. Instead of seeing this differences as confusing, we should calibrate them as a sign on how unique and creative human cultures can be. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.